Hi, I'm Stan and welcome to my channel, where you'll usually find me right here behind the wheel. Because in my videos, I'll show you how to become a better and a safer driver, whether you're just learning, newly licensed, or have years of experience. My background includes working many years for a government agency, where I received and gave safety training, supervised groups of drivers, conducted driver evaluations, vehicle inspections, conducted accident investigations, gave remedial training to at-fault drivers, and participated for many years on accident prevention study groups. I also received instruction and training on several different kinds of vehicles myself. Plus, I've had a lifelong interest in cars and driving and, of course, safety. And the safety part goes back to when I was 16 years old, and somehow I had a ticket for speeding and also 2 tickets for accidents. And shortly after that, I got a letter from the state saying if I get 1 more ticket in a year's time, they would suspend my license. Well, that got my attention, and I determined that I would do everything I could to become a safer driver. And that continues to this day. I'm still that way. And if you came to my channel, you're probably wanting that same thing for yourself. And I hope some of my videos can help you achieve that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and drive safe.